Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Faith and Mercy. Guys, today, okay, before that, thank you for the returning subscribers. Thank you very much. And for those who have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. Today's content is about leo tunapika mandazi, the soft mandazis. Now I have a best friend of mine here. Tunapika na yeye. Stay tuned as you watch this video till the end. These soft mandazis, you will like them. Yeah, and if you want the recipe, kindly watch this video till the end. Thank you. Okay.
The following are the ingredients. We have 2 kg wheat flour, baking powder, blue band or margarine, 4 eggs, sugar, 1 liter of milk, lemon and vanilla essence, and the last 2 are optional. They're not compulsory. So first, you will put your wheat flour in the basin. For me, I'm using the basin, like a small basin. Then add lemon. After adding lemon, make sure you mix it well, like you mix vizuri. Then add your blue band or margarine, and for every 100 grams of wheat flour is equal to 2 tablespoons of blue band, so you can calculate. Then after that, you add sugar, then mix it well until it becomes fine, like there is no any particle of sugar or blue band. Then after that you will add your vanilla essence in the eggs. Then add your baking powder. Don't forget baking powder, it's very important. Add it to the wheat flour. Then take your mixture of eggs and vanilla essence and pour it in the mixture. And then after that, add your 1 liter of milk. Then stir it. The secret with this, the soft mini mandazi, is make sure unga yako ni soft. Yeah, ukimaliza kumix hizo vitu zote, make sure unga yako ni soft kabisa, isikuwe ile ngumu kama ya kutengeneza chapati. So after mixing, you can see how I was mixing. Yeah, by using your hands is very easy than using the kijiko. And you make sure haikatali kwa mikono kabisa, like it's soft. As you can see, mine is okay. So I just add a little cooking oil, then leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah, better, it's 1 hour is better. It can give you the best results. Then start cooking. The unga would be ready for cooking mandazi. By the guys, try it at home. It's very easy. Cooking mandazi is very easy. The soft mandazi is very easy and it's very sweet. Yeah. As you can see, tulikuwa tunapika hapa, tushaanza kupika. Yeah. And as you can see, mandazi zenyewe zinakaa poa. They are very soft and sweet. Guys, try it at home. It's very easy. Just follow the recipe. When you have those ingredients, you can just it's not a must that you follow what I have done, like unafuata venye nimeweka sukari, time nimeweka blue band. Weka, unaanza na blue band, ufuatishe sukari, ufuatishe like mayai. Yeah, so long as the measurement must be okay. Yeah, lazima zikuwe poa. Yeah, siweke ingine mingi ingine kidogo, hapana, lazima zote zikuwe poa. Just follow the recipe. Within 30 minutes mandazi was ready to serve, and serve very enjoyable. Any drink, cooking mandazi. It's very sweet, guys. Just have a look on them. Very sweet. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.